In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Framer. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect when you're connecting your own domain to a Framer project. First, make sure you already have a project open in Framer that you're ready to publish. This could be a website, a landing page, or any design you've been working on that you want to make live under your own domain name. When you're in your project, look towards the top right corner of the Framer interface and click on the Publish button. This is the button that turns your project into a live website. Clicking it will open up a panel or a modal where you can control how your site goes live. Inside this Publish panel, you'll see an option related to domains. Here, look for the button or link that says Add Domain and click on it. This is where Framer lets you either choose a Framer provided URL or connect your own custom domain, like yourwebsite.com. Once you click Add Domain, Framer will show you options for how you want to connect. To use a domain that you already own from a provider like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other registrar, choose the option that says Connect your own domain, or similar wording. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, Framer will typically remind you that connecting a custom domain requires a paid plan. This is important. If you're currently on a free plan, you'll need to upgrade before you can complete the connection. Framer usually provides a clear upgrade or pricing link in this flow. Follow that prompt, choose the plan that suits your needs, and complete the upgrade process. Once your plan is upgraded, you can return to the same Publish panel, click Add Domain again, and then connect your own domain. From there, Framer will guide you through entering your domain name and will provide DNS instructions that you'll need to set up with your domain provider. That's the basic flow. Publish your project, add a domain, choose to connect your own, and make sure your